In this video, I will show you how to file your income taxes with a T5008 form. This form is essential for reporting securities transactions like stocks or bonds, and I'll show you exactly where to enter it into your account. To start off, visit the official TurboTax website and sign into your account. After signing in, navigate to the Tax Home section, which is your central hub for managing your return. For this tutorial, we will be using the TurboTax Free edition, but the steps are similar across other versions. Once you've entered your tax year, locate the Review and Edit button. This allows you to verify your information and ensure everything is correct before submission. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries to avoid errors that could delay your processing. Next, head to the My Info section to input your basic details like your name, address, and social security number. After completing your personal profile, proceed to the Income section. This is where you can input earnings from various sources. To enter your T5008 data, look for the section related to investments or capital gains. Input the details from your T5008 form, including the cost or book value and the proceeds from your sales. These transactions can impact your tax return significantly, so ensure the numbers match your form exactly to avoid any billing or audit issues with the tax authorities. That's how you file your income taxes with T5008.